Nestled beside a quiet wetland in Snohomish, Washington, the French Creek Workshop's house by Wittman Estes is more than just a retirement home. It's a deeply personal retreat where art, craft, and nature converge. Built on a 4.5-acre site once used as an animal sanctuary, the house embraces the rhythms of the landscape, offering calm and comfort through every season. Designed for aging in place and multi-generational living, the home unfolds across a single level. There are no stairs here, only gentle terracing that follows the slope of the land. Wide doorways, flush thresholds, and softly textured concrete floors create a safe and effortless flow throughout the home, blending accessibility with refined modern design. Inside, every element reflects the couple's shared passion for making. Her love for gardening shaped the lush, layered landscape that surrounds the home, while his fascination with water inspired the reflective pools and courtyards. Together, their creativity breathes life into the architecture, turning the house into a canvas of their own story. The interior design strikes a balance between artistry and practicality. Locally sourced fir and cedar bring warmth to the spaces, while terrazzo and concrete provide grounding durability. Subtle pops of color, like reddish-brown soffits and a vivid blue kitchen wall, add playfulness to the calm palette, proving that aging in place doesn't mean giving up vibrancy or style. Even the details were crafted by their hands, from slatted wood screens filtering the afternoon light to the delicate hand-blown glass pieces that illuminate the dining area. As architect Matt Wittman explains, the goal was simple: to create a home that truly expresses who they are. And now, they live and create side by side, gracefully and seamlessly. A series of dedicated studios form the heart of the property, spaces for woodworking, metalwork, glass art, and more, linked to the main home by covered walkways and gardens. These workshops are positioned for both focus and inspiration. Their shed roofs lift toward clerestory windows, drawing in soft northern light that's perfect for creative work. At the center of the compound lies a courtyard inspired by the ancient Roman impluvium. Here, rainwater from the surrounding roofs flows into a series of tranquil, reflecting pools. When it rains, water cascades gently over the roof edges, creating a sensory connection to the Pacific Northwest climate, one that celebrates the rain rather than resisting it. From garden paths to patios and deep overhangs, every space in French Creek Workshop's house feels connected, not only to nature but to the rhythm of life itself. The landscape transitions from cultivated gardens to wild meadows, all lovingly maintained by the homeowners. In the end, this is a home that embodies creativity, care, and the quiet joy of living in harmony with nature.